Why do we feel rich for only 48 hours after salary and then broke for the next 28 days? Don't worry, it's not just you. It's literally every human on Earth. Let me explain why your money disappears faster than your motivation on Monday morning. Part 1. Salary Day Delusion. Salary Day hits. You wake up feeling like Jeff Bezos' lost cousin. You open your bank app. Wow, look at all those numbers. You go out for groceries, buy one item, come back with 15 things, including that $7 almond butter you'll never eat. You pay rent, boom, 40% gone. You pay bills, boom, 20% gone. You pay subscriptions you forgot existed, boom, 5% gone. Now you look at your balance again, and suddenly it's like the bank app whispers. Surprise, you're poor again. Part 2. Why your money vanishes. Here's the painful truth. Your brain thinks you're rich on salary day. Your bills think you're broke every day. We spend like millionaires because the number in our account feels big. That is called the illusion of abundance. Your brain sees $2,000 as, wow, I have $2,000 to spend. But reality sees it as rent, groceries, utilities, emergencies, savings, and now you have $11 left. That feeling of being rich for 2 days is just your brain being financially stupid. Part 3. The real trap. Here's the second problem. You spend your money first and think later. When salary comes in, you treat yourself. Then your friend's wedding pops up, your cousin's birthday, your coworker wants to split the bill evenly. And suddenly you're buying milk and returning home spending $40 somehow. You don't plan your money. Your money plans itself and runs away from you. Part 4. How to stop feeling broke. Want to feel rich for the whole month, not just 2 days? Do one thing. Pay your future self first, not last. First, on salary day, move 20% into savings. Move 10% into an emergency fund. Move 10% into guilt-free fun money. Then survive on the rest. Because if you don't tell your money where to go, it will leave on its own. You're not actually broke. You're just spending like the month has 2 days. Fix the system. Fix the behavior. And salary day won't feel like a 48-hour dream anymore.